Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. I am hosting this week's Facebook group theme, and I was thinking about how to bring you some cheery, happy designs, so I decided to go with the theme Too Cute. The theme was pretty much open. It could have been anything that is kind of quirky and cute, animals, designs that kind of bring smile to our faces. And I do hope that you will enjoy this nail art tutorial idea, especially I know that the situation with this virus is still going on, so I wanted to bring all of you something fun and to cheer up your day as well. I also have this beautiful bright matte yellow color from Baby Go Locker, which I purchased as part of her swatchers discount, and I just found it perfect for the base for a fun bright manicure. So I do hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And of course, if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into this collab with me, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will link for you everything that you need to know in the description box, including all the links to the ladies who joined me into today's collab, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures that were created, or pictures of the manicures that were created for today's collab. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. I do hope everybody is safe and sound. Hang in there, hopefully this is soon over, and I really appreciate everybody's support, especially during these days. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.